Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert your Yamaha keyboard styles for the Ketron event using Rearranger.ai, a relatively new tool that allows conversions across different keyboard brands. So on the left hand side you can see my main style library. I have highlighted here 4 styles, and on the right hand side you see the main screen of Rearranger. And all you have to do is pick your styles and drag and drop them here into the input field. And so you see the tool recognizes it as a Yamaha Genos 2 style file or style files. And all I have to do is pick my target, which in this case will be the Ketron event. And then all I have to do is press start batch. So the tool will start batch processing those files, and you can see after 2 to 3 seconds it has converted the files. And when you click here on edit, you have the possibility to audition the conversion. So what you see here is the different sections of the style file, like intros, variations, fills, breaks, endings, etc. And then you see even the sub variations like variation 1, variation 2, variation 3, etc. And then you see the different channels and tracks, their detected keys. You can decide you want to keep those tracks, you want to drop them. You see the source voices, and you can pick a target voice. Say for instance you have the electric bass finger here from Yamaha, and then on the right hand side it does an auto assignment for the Ketron event finger bass, but say you're not happy with it, you have the ability to change the target voice, whatever you believe is the best sounding voice for that style. Also you see here it detected the live brush kit from Yamaha and automatically assigned it to the live brush kit of the Ketron event. A very nice feature of the Rearranger tool is that it recognized here the mega bass and mega guitars from Yamaha, which are actually strumming instructions for the Yamaha engine, so a very proprietary solution on the Yamaha. But what it does is generates standard MIDI strummings based on the mega guitar that's behind this style. So you will see in the output file there will be a standard MIDI strumming based on the interpretation of the mega guitar, which is super neat. And then also on the bottom you see here, if you have some user drum kits, you have the ability to override certain user samples into also general MIDI on the bottom. So I'm not going to use that, the system did already for me automatically. And then once you're happy, let's say, with the conversion, you can also preview it by clicking here on the preview button. Also here you have the ability to change the voices. These are obviously not very good voices, are just general MIDI, but it gives you a good idea on how it would sound. And obviously this is just a MIDI style file here, but on the Ketron event the beauty is if you combine then this converted style here with the real audio sounds of Ketron, then I think you get the best of both worlds. Okay, say you're happy here now with the conversion, you have pre-listened to the style. The next step is just to download it. And you can see here on the left hand side it downloaded the KST file, which is the Ketron style file, and all you have to do is basically load this into the user style section of the Ketron event, refresh the screen, and then you will find the style there. Also, if you go here on my conversions, you don't have to do it individually. What you have to do is select all, and then you can download all styles that you have in your library as a zip file. And so also here you see on the left hand side the zip file. You just double click, and then you have all 4 that you can load onto your Ketron event. And then, as I said, audition them then and change the voices and combine them with the super nice Ketron event real sounds like the real bass, real guitars, etc. Alright, that's it. Pretty easy to use, pretty fast to convert and get you going on any new keyboard that you want. I hope this was helpful, and enjoy. Bye bye.